Hello everyone. In previous video we are done with the for loops. Our next step is over here. It is while loop. So uh, the syntax is very simple, very easy. Again, it is similar to your C programming language. Okay. So we have one variable I, and initial value of I is 0. Then we have a while loop, and we are writing one condition that I less than 5. It means if I is less than 5, then only you go inside of this while loop. Okay. So right now, obviously, we know that current value of I is what? 0. So 0 less than 5 condition is true. It will go inside of this while loop. And what we are printing over here is echo. And we are printing value of I then plus 1. It means it will print 0 plus 1. Again, it will print 1. This indicates concatenate. Two things. So it will print 1. And the next thing is break a line. The next statement is I plus plus. So we are incrementing I by what? 1. Now closing bracket indicates you go back to condition part. Okay. So now the new value of I is 1 because of this I plus plus. Okay. So 1 less than 5, again condition true. Again it will go inside of this. It will print 2 because 1 plus 1. Then again increment I by 1, it will be 3. Then 4. Again 4 less than 5, condition is true. So here it will print 4 plus 1, 5. And again increment by 1, so now I becomes 5. Now again it will come here, 5 less than 5. So now we know that condition is what? False. So if it is false, it will come out of this while loop. That means over here. But nothing is there. That means obviously end of program. So we'll quickly check the output of this. Again, as usual, we are using the same file only. We'll just click on the refresh button. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is what we are getting. Thank you, everyone.